Hi, I'm Coachman, founder of Digital Smile Design. And for over 15 years, I've been working with dentists around the world to help them deliver precision dentistry with predictability. At DSD, we believe that the future of clinical execution in dentistry is guided dentistry. Guided dentistry means that we use software to simulate treatments before we perform. And then we use devices to translate the project into the mouth. Guided dentistry means delivering outcomes that match plans. Guided dentistry means communicating a beautiful story to patients. They get what is promised to them in the treatment plan. Guided dentistry also means executing clinical procedures with less stress. Guided dentistry is only possible today because we can 3D print all these devices. The only way to make it feasible and streamline the process for dental clinics is to have a chairside 3D printer. That's why we say that the future of dentistry relies on smart chairside solutions. We believe that dentists need a scanner to digitize their patient, and they need a 3D printer to fabricate guided dentistry devices. Having a printer that allows you to print devices in a fast and cost-effective manner means your procedures and appointments become even more streamlined. You can do more in less appointments. With improvements in printing materials, we can do more and more. Not only printing devices, but also restorations. As I've said, the future of dentistry is guided dentistry. The future of dentistry is chairside. So, the future of dentistry needs a 3D printer. And when it comes to selecting a 3D printer for your office, as a pragmatic dentist, you are looking for trusted quality with proven track record. DSD has a partnership with Formlabs with these credentials. Over 15 million dental parts have been printed on its printers, and over 25,000 printers have been shipped to dental professionals. Take a look at their latest printer, the Form 4B. We use one in the DSD lab every day, and I can attest to its speed and accuracy, hallmarks we have come to expect from Formlabs printers in the many years we have been using them. Here at DSD, we don't compromise on quality, and we expect the same of our equipment. The Form 4B not only takes this precision to a new level, it's 5 times faster than the previous generations. You can print up to 11 models in just 9 minutes. It's also compatible with over 15 Formlabs resins and certified third-party materials, making it suitable for a wide range of dental applications. You might be thinking, this all sounds great, but I don't have time for me and my team to learn a new technology system and integrate it with our workflows. The Form 4B is designed for intuitive integration. You don't need to be a tech expert to incorporate 3D printing into your practice. It comes standard with smart features like automatic resin handling, remote monitoring, and print speed optimization, which makes your workflow smoother and faster. So, if you are a dentist who does not want to be left behind with digital technology, but wants to invest in a trusted solution with proven advantages and easy setup, the Form 4B offers you a way to provide cutting-edge care with minimal hassle. It's affordable, fast, and accurate, helping you deliver the kind of precision dentistry that DSD stands for. Start using 3D printing in your clinic today and join thousands of dentists around the world who are transforming their practices with DSD and Formlabs.